Hey, welcome to LSV Weekly, the real estate lifestyle recap powered by lifestylevideos.com. From hot neighborhoods to design fails you can't unsee, we're diving into what's popping across the GTA this week. Toronto just hit the real estate brakes. Sales are down 23%. Average prices slipped over 4%, and most buyers, they're on pause, waiting for a rate drop. But if you're in the market for a condo or a townhome, this might be your moment. Here's a glimpse of our full April market breakdown.
According to the latest Toronto Regional Real Estate Board Market Watch report, GTA realtors recorded 5,601 home sales in April. That's down 23.3% compared to the same time last year, and a 5.4% drop in the average sale price year over year, now sitting at $1,107,463. Buyers are clearly cautious, waiting on the sidelines for lower borrowing costs, even as more inventory becomes available. New listings rose 8.1% year over year, with over 18,000 homes hitting the market this April. With inflation holding at 2.3% and the Bank of Canada overnight rate steady at 2.8%, many households are holding off, hoping for affordability to improve as rates ease.
Want the full scoop on what's hot and what's not in the GTA? Hit up LSV Daily for market snapshots, or dive into Real Estate Rewired for the full April recap, now streaming at lifestylevideos.com. Looking to clean up your lunch routine or cut back on meat without sacrificing taste? We've got you. Over at lifestylevideos.com, we're serving up home recipes that hit the sweet spot between healthy and easy. Check out this banger, an easy bean vegan salad that's fast, fresh, and packed with flavor.
I'm going to be putting the chickpeas and kidney beans into the bowl. Over here I have a mixture of edamame and peas. Edamame is filled with all the amino acids, so it's the complete protein. So this is a super, super rich protein bean salad. I'm going to add this mixture to the bowl. See how easy this is. I took some of my favorite veggies. I like to incorporate a lot of raw into my meals, so I cut up red peppers, celery, carrots, and some cucumber.
Didn't catch the full recipe? Don't stress. It's ready and waiting, plus tons more like it over at lifestylevideos.com. Let's talk homeownership in 2025. It's not business as usual. Over on LSV Rewired, we're seeing buyers team up, parents with adult kids, coworkers co-investing, and rent-to-own deals making a comeback. Affordability's tough, but Canadians are getting creative. Here's a peek at how.
Creativity isn't just about who's buying, it's about what they're buying. More Canadians are purchasing fixer-uppers, renovating secondary units, and leveraging rental income to help cover mortgage costs. In a market where every dollar counts, sweat equity is becoming a key strategy for smart buyers. Technology is playing a role too. From virtual tours to AI mortgage advisors, Canadians now have more tools than ever to research, plan, and purchase smarter, often without ever stepping inside a traditional bank branch.
Want to see the full doc? Head to our Real Estate Rewired section and watch Creative Home Buying in 2025 only on lifestylevideos.com. And this week's Daily Snap? Roncesvalles is heating up, condo and single-family sales are rising, and homes are moving quicker. Could this be the spring spark we've been waiting for? Also in LSV Originals, spring's in the air. But is your garden keeping up? We've got a quick tutorial to make weeding less of a chore and more of a win. Take a look.
So to get the weeds out, you want to dig them out with the root. You want to get the root out, that's the most essential part there. If you don't get the root out, you will have more weeds. You want to get the weeds out before they actually bloom. If they do go into bloom, you should be putting them out before they develop seeds. Immediately when they develop seeds, they will start to germinate, lose the seeds all over your garden, and this is how your garden gets more and more weeds. So again, pull it out with the root, and here we are.
Craving more? From top 10s and decor tips to market updates and home tours, it's all waiting for you right now at lifestylevideos.com. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next week, right here on LSV Weekly.